Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So in this situation, I will divide this one into complementary solution and particular solution. So for the first one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s, because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda in here. Because first the derivative of s, you got about number 1. That's why we have lambda in here. Now if we do second derivative, we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now, because this is about complementary solution, so this one should be equals to number 0. And now I will put this one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus lambda e to the power of lambda s minus 6 e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. Now we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we have lambda square plus lambda minus 6 equals to number 0. Now we put this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solution of lambda. So we have number 2 and negative number 3. So yc in here, we have c number 1. That is about the constant number 1. E to the power of lambda s. Now we need to change lambda into number 2. So we have 2s and c number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. And this is about the first one. Now we go to particular solution. So we see that on the right we have e to the power of 5s. So yb equals to e to the power of 5s. And then we put capital A in here. This is about coefficient of e to the power of 5s. Now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have number 5 in here. So we have 5a e to the power of 5s. Because if we do first the derivative of e to the power of 5s, we keep about e to the power of 5s. Later that we do first the derivative of 5s, you got about number 5. Now we do second derivative. We have number 25 a e to the power of 5s. Now we have this one. So I need to put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have 25 8 e to the power of 5s plus 5a e to the power of 5s minus number 6 ae to the power of 5s. Now we need to simplify this one, and we have number 24, 8e to the power of 5s, and this is equals to e to the power of 5s. We know that coefficient of this one is about number 1. That means 24a equals to number 1. So a should be equals to 1 over 24. And that means yb. So we put this number in here to change about capital A in here. And now we have y equals to yc plus yb. Yc, that's about this one. And yb, that is about this one. Now we have the conditions. So for the first one, when s equals to number 0, y equals to negative number 1. So when we put number 0 on here, that's a 0 in here, 0 in here, and 0 in here, we will have about c1 plus c2 plus 1 over 24. And I will put negative number 1 go in here. So we have negative number 1. So I will put this one go to the left. So negative number 1 minus 1 over 24. And we have negative number 25 over 24. And we have first equation. Now we need to do first the derivative of this one. So we can find the second equation in here. So this one we have 2c1 e to the power of 2s minus number 3 c2 e to the power of negative 3s. And the next one is about 5 over 24 e to the power of 5s. Now we put number 0 go in here. So we have 2c1 minus 3c2 plus 5 over 24. About this one, that's about number 3 in here. Now I will put this one go to the left, and we have 2c1 minus 3c2, and we have number 3 minus 5 over 24. So we have 67 over number 24, and we have equation number 2. After we have equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can create the system of equations. So we need to find the solution of C number 1 and C number 2. So we have negative 1 over 15. And the next one is about negative 39 over 20. So we have the final answer in here. So we put the value C number 1, C number 2, go back in this equation in here. This is about 40, not 20, sorry about that. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.